January 31st, 2023. In the background's a cruise ship entering Santa Cruz Marina here in the bays of Huatulco, Oaxaca, Mexico, on the 16th latitude north of the Pacific Ocean. Below is Chahue Beach, Chahue in English, Chahue. This is the entrance to the Chahue Marina, which is an international marina accommodating private vessels, catamarans, motor sailors, all types of vessels. And you can see in the background the some of the sticks from some of the sailboats up in the air over there. It's currently about 8 minutes before 7 a.m. January 31st, and I'm walking on the seawall here that enables vessels to enter into the Chahue Marina. You can dock here, like all international marinas. They charge by length per day, and they have water and electric hookups. It's not the best marina on earth, but any port in a storm, that's for certain. I rarely walk up here. You can see it's sandy, so that's nice because I'm barefoot. Oh look, breakfast. It's very typical of Mexico. They sell beverages in a plastic bag and you poke a straw in them. Unfortunately, it creates a lot of garbage. Little disrepair here. This was built by Tour, but as you can see, there's been some issues here with maintenance, but the seawall does its job. It makes the entrance here relatively easy. You see the buoys, flashing lights. Running out of sand. Got some more brick here to negotiate. And another bench that hasn't been maintained, unfortunately. So some monster riprap here holding this together. Frequently see people fishing here, although it's highly doubtful that they catch anything of any size, because the fish don't swim in such shallow water. But so there's Chahue Bay. Buen día. So here's some guys. Looks like they're line fishing. And they'll throw nets to catch bait, carnada. And then they'll take that out and recycle it. Those tall cacti are organelle. And it is winter here, so you can see it's quite dry. It hasn't rained since late October. Here comes the sun. Cue George Harrison.
Pero volteate más, así de todo tu cuerpo. Eso, así. Eso, alguien ahora sí saliendo se la ronda. Tiene todo rojo él, pero no se ve, no se alcanza a ver.
Signing off, base of Oaxaca, Chahue Bay, 16th latitude north. There's Oaxaca, there's the Sierra Madre Sur in the background. Those mountains they rise to about 9,000 feet in this part of the world over there, actually less. And just over those hills, 40-minute Cessna flight away is the city of Oaxaca, Oaxaca de Juarez, which is the capital city. Birthplace of Benito Juarez and an incredible colonial city. Here comes some more exercisers. Looking good.